So just to give you a quick recap, the outcome of this project is that we need a calc sheet and we need a roster sheet that you would publish. The first section of the report shows the names and the team and availability. The second section of the report shows the graphs and the analytics. This third section of the report is where you would put the types of resources, rates, and roles. For example, you could do this actually by team color, as you've mentioned, instead of by the type of role, or you could even have driver 1 through 20 in there if you wanted to. The next section of the sheet is just where you calculate the costs, and if you want to, I can put some more smarts in for some percentages. And the types of estimates, I've put best, most likely, and worst case scenario, because I know that you said with your use case it's quite often changing. And the last section of the report is where I'm sourcing the names from. So if you prefer to assign work by the name of your team member rather than roles, can do that too. Essentially, the totals that you see in the gray column are how many hours are being used in that day. And that includes a, for example, shift supervisor, which I've given 8 hours.